Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the NocoBoost Plus GB40 if you can have like the error light blinking. So this is something that I found also, is that you need to warm up the units gradually in a warm vehicle. Ensure the heat is applied gently, avoiding direct heat source like fire heaters. Place the cold unit in a warm vehicle with the heat on. A warm air circulate around the unit, so just try to put them, I don't know, somewhere somewhere just that you can have like circulation of the hot air, and monitor until the red light goes off. Once warmed, check the unit by pressing the power button. Normal operation should be restored. And you can plug the unit in the charger to ensure it starts charging properly. So if it's too cold, you just need to have it more heat up. So you can have like better temperature inside, and then you can try to charge it. So this can possibly fix the issue, and I hope it does for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you can have a great day, and goodbye.